Welcome everybody to Teresa Greene. As all of y'all know by now, the big announcement was me and Ben recently purchased a waterfront condo. It is a fixer-upper, so we're putting a lot of content over here of the things that we're doing and the progress that we're making. I have been sick for a couple of weeks, so Ben has really stepped up and he has been coming over here and keeping everything going for us. Now, the thing that we are working on currently is we're trying to get everything ready for the sheetrockers to come. And to do that, we had to go out and pick out our bathroom fixtures, our bathtubs and our tubs and things like that. So our plumber can come, get some things done, and then we can get the sheetrockers in and we can get some walls up. The first challenge that we are facing in this condo is being on the second floor, because you have got to get these big items up. And so you got to do a lot of measuring, and thank goodness we had sweet neighbors that let us borrow their hand truck. That hand truck was invaluable. But anyway, you measure, you make sure you can fit in the elevator, and thank goodness for elevators. But we did manage to get this one up safe and sound. Ben got out of the box, checked it out. But this shower right here will go in our guest bathroom. It is a shower tub fixture. So since I've been sick, like I told y'all, Ben has been over here trying to keep everything going so we can stay on track. But I'm going to let Ben kind of give y'all an update in today's video of where we are and the things that he has done to get us in preparation to get the sheetrock and get the walls up. Because I think once we get some walls up, I think it will start to really look like, you know, a home in our condo. So I'm going to let Ben take it from here and give y'all an update of where we are.
Yes, so did we tell you we're getting a new roof on the condo? Nothing like a good, clean, tidy construction site. I see like 12 million nails down there. I'm glad I don't have the lawn contract here. You'll have a flat tire for the rest of your life. Look at that. Sounds like it's raining. This is what I'm dealing with. I'm getting things wrapped up. Everything that needs to be done before we can put the sheetrock in, like this pipe, and then when they took out all the sheetrock and everything and removed the bathroom vanities, they somehow broke the pipe. Here's the pipe laying here on the ground. I can probably tackle this one myself, but just something that needs to be done before we can do sheetrock. So this is the update on the master bath. This is where the shower was. We're going to try not to go back there. We're possibly even thinking about taking the wall to the left there out the back of the pantry and then putting the wall in here, making the pantry larger. It's kind of hard to see in here, but that's kind of the possibility right now. Or if not, the new toilet may go there. Over here in the corner was where the garden tub, the jacuzzi was. You can see the plumbing for it right there. We're going to go back with a freestanding tub in this area. We're going to still have to have the external faucet, the standing faucet on the side. More to follow on that, unless we put the shower over there. That's what I want to talk to the plumber about and get some ideas. This is where the toilet was. Another option we're thinking about is possibly putting the shower in this corner. So once I get some suggestions from the plumber and get the green light and say, yeah, this will work, that'll work, I just need to get the shower in and the shower in the other bathroom. This is the shower that we decided to go with in our master bath. It's got this fiberglass base. It's a corner unit. I don't know if you can see very well from the picture. Will be more to follow when we get it out of the box and you can see it, but it's got curved doors, sliding doors. We both like this unit, so we're going to get, the main thing now is to get the plumber here, get this installed. If we can, make sure we get the lines run to where we want it, the water lines, and get the other one, bathroom, the secondary bath, where we can get the tub and the shower unit in there. So we got to get both of these set in place. That way I can give the sheetrockers the green light to come on in and get, you know, they do their thing, and then I can go town from there. I can put in some lights, get some lighting in this place. We'll go start doing trim work and painting and all that good stuff. But the main thing holding us up right now is the plumber. I've talked to like 2 different plumbers, and You know, you get the same old thing. Yeah, I'll be there. Let me finish this and I'll call you. Or, you know, I'll be there Saturday. And it's going on. So I've talked to another one earlier today. He's supposed to be here in a few minutes, so more to follow on that. Hopefully, he sounded like he's going to be here on time, so we'll have to wait and see. These are the walls for our, what I'm calling our shower bath. It's going to go in the secondary bathroom, where here off the other bedroom. We went with this unit. It was, you know, we just got it at Lowe's. It was the most cost effective for what we wanted, and Connor is here. Yes. So here I am in the other bathroom that goes along with the secondary bedroom. I'm for a lack of word of what to call this thing, but we're just gonna have like I said, the freestanding, the tub and the shower and all one unit right here. So my new plumbing guy, Connor, he just left. I'm pretty stoked about Connor, and he's on time, and I'm kind of happy with the price too. He quoted me for doing all the hard stuff, the stuff that I don't really want to do, or you know, he knows all the codes, and which I don't know, and he can deal with the copper lines. And he was talking about, I can't remember the name of some new line he was talking going to run possibly, and I didn't even know if the stuff existed. So he was very intelligent, and I'm very pleased so far. So he's supposed to be back in about a week. We'll get this. The main thing is get the shower in here, the tub in the shower. He's going to put the tub in the corner, or the shower in the corner in the master bath, and we'll have that all done so I can get the guy the green light on the sheetrock.
So before we can do any kind of new layout for the bathroom, Ben is going to now have to go in and take up some of the subfloor for us to rearrange it and redesign it. We just feel like a better layout is in the plan, and while we can do it our way, I think now is the time. So he's going to just take up some screws and remove a little bit of the subfloor and just have it to where the plumber can come in on Monday and just start doing his thing, and then we can just keep on going and get the sheetrockers in.
So I now have all the subfloor out. You can see I've taken it down up to this point here. I left this over here. Back there the PVC is. That's where the shower used to be. So I'm going to remove that. I think I got enough out that I can do everything they need to do. So hopefully the next time y'all see the condo, we'll be making some headway, but you know how that goes. Schedules change, and especially when you're dealing with contractors and such, because they have to pull off and go to their bigger jobs, you know, their new construction and things like that. So the fixer-uppers and things like of this type are on the back burner. So hopefully it'll work out. We'll get you another video as soon as we can.
Okay, y'all, that is going to wrap up our little update video for today. As you can see, like I told y'all, I didn't get to be in the video this week because I have been down with a sickness, but I hope to be back really soon. So I hope y'all enjoyed seeing the progress we've made, and we're just going to keep y'all updated as we go. So more videos to come. Hope y'all subscribe to the channel so you don't miss one. I will see y'all again in the next video. Bye, y'all.